We have some big news coming in here from West Bengal. Row over the West Bengal BJP President Dilip Ghosh saying that his party would emulate Gujarat's growth model to develop the state if voted to power. TMC leader now, Firhad Hakim, hits out at Ghosh saying that states like Gujarat and UP are known for encounter killings, breaking up the Ishrat Jahan encounter incident. This face-off comes ahead of the Bengal polls next year. Here's the TMC leader there reacting. On one hand, you had the BJP chief, Dilip Ghosh, saying that he would turn around West Bengal into the Gujarat model if voted to power. And here in reaction, TMC leader there, Firhad Hakim, hits out at Ghosh saying that states like Gujarat and UP, Uttar Pradesh, known for encounter killings, breaking up the Ishrat Jahan encounter incident. Let's take a listen. Dilip Ghosh spoke to India today. Here's what he had said.
ये जो लक्ष्य है आपने किस लक्ष्य रखा है इलेक्शन के लिए? As BJP State President from West Bengal, Mr. Dilip Ghosh, सर बंगाल के लिए पूरी तैयारियां अब जोर शोर से चल रही है. बीजेपी ने काफी एक लंबा मीटिंग किया कल स्टेट इंचार्जेस के साथ भी. स्ट्रैटेजी क्या रहेगी भाजपा की इस इलेक्शन में?
देखिए, स्ट्रैटेजी तो हमने बहुत पहले शुरू किया, 3-4 साल से पूरी दमखम से लगे हैं. तो उसका परिणाम पंचायत चुनाव में भी आया, हमको मिला है. कुछ जिलों में जीते थे, 40% तक वोट भी मिली थी. बाकी पार्लियामेंट इलेक्शन में उसका भी नतीजा है कि 18 पार्लियामेंट जो मेंबर है वो जीत के यहाँ आए हैं दिल्ली में. तो इसलिए जो प्रक्रिया से हम काम कर रहे हैं वो ठीक है, उसका फल हमको मिल रहा है. और विधानसभा चुनाव जो कि बहुत जबरदस्त होने वाला है, अलग अंगिक में होना है, इसलिए उसको जीतने के लिए और भी जो तैयारियां जरूरत है उसके लिए हमारे केंद्रीय नेता जाके हमको दिशा दे रहे हैं. तैयारियां कितनी हुई हैं इसकी छानबीन कर रहे हैं और कमी क्या है वो भी उजागर करके हमको पूरा करने के लिए मदद कर रहे हैं. तो ये सारा प्रक्रिया जोर शोर से चला है. माननीय राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष नड्डा जी जा चुके हैं, माननीय गृह मंत्री जी जा चुके हैं और माननीय संतोष जी भी जाकर 2 दिन रह करके वहां पूरी तैयारी का निगरानी कर रहे हैं. और हर जोन में एक अलग अनुभवी कार्यकर्ता को भेजा गया है. वहाँ तैयारी कितनी दूर हुई, क्या क्या समस्या है, इसका पूरा निराकरण करने के लिए.
ये जो लक्ष्य है आपने कितना लक्ष्य रखा है इलेक्शन के लिए?
हम तो बोले 200 पार, अब की बार 200 पार बंगाल में, तो 200 की ऊपर सीट लेके हम आएंगे और सरकार बनाएंगे.
There you have it, Dilip Ghosh, Bengal BJP chief there, sounding quite confident ahead of West Bengal's assembly polls. Polami joining us live for more details on that. Polami, months to go for West Bengal polls, but seems like BJP is already setting the stage. You spoke to Dilip Ghosh. There's quite some verbal duel between the TMC and the BJP. What did Dilip Ghosh say further? Looking quite confident.
Well, yes, the BJP is going all guns blazing into these West Bengal elections. They are, of course, expected to happen in the months of April and May in 2021. And the BJP had already set the stage for it during the Durga Puja itself. At the time of the festivities and on the eve of Durga Puja, you saw that the BJP national president visited West Bengal. Then, of course, Home Minister Mr. Amit Shah visited West Bengal as well. And now with the appointment of those who will be overseeing the elections, there was a very crucial meeting which happened in Bengal BJP yesterday, where roles were assigned and jobs were assigned to everyone. And now what the BJP has done in order to study their own strengths and weaknesses on the ground better, they have divided the whole state of West Bengal into 5 zones, and they have deployed leaders who will go into these zones now from Delhi, who are obviously on the ground already, because they have 2 days to produce a report and send it back to BJP President Mr. JP Nadda, who will then, of course, fine-tune it and strategize for the elections as well. Also, what we're learning is that Mr. Amit Shah and Mr. JP Nadda will now be frequently visiting, possibly every month, the state of West Bengal.
Right, Polami, stay with us. We're quickly cutting across to Mohammad Salim, CPIM leader there in West Bengal, joining us on the phone line. Mohammad Salim, here is the BJP already setting stage in West Bengal. You have Dilip Ghosh, who's categorically said, if voted to power, he's going to bring West Bengal or turn it around into the Gujarat model. You have the TMC hitting out. What's your opinion?
First thing is, the BJP talked about Gujarat model in 2014. Dilip Ghosh is a very old model, because now BJP itself, throughout the country, is not talking about Gujarat model because it has miserably failed. Be it the question of taking on the terrorists, be it the question of industrialization or resolving the problem of unemployment. The Gujarat model has miserably failed. In the Human Development Index, you will find Gujarat nowhere in the front-ranking 10 states. Where you have Kerala, you have Tamil Nadu, you have other states. Be it question of education, health, employment. Now, Modi ji also is not talking about Gujarat model. In Bihar elections, they have not talked about Gujarat model. And since pre-independence days, when the independence survey was being launched, that time also the rightists wanted to take a turn in Gujarat model, and the leftists talked about the Bengal model. So it didn't talk about models, but that was the line, and that is why Bengal is different and Gujarat is different. West India and East India follow two distinctly different paths. One is of confrontation between Hindu and Muslims, another is of going together with a secular path. And this is Bengal of Deshbandhu Chittaranjan Das, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, Muzaffar Ahmed, and that is why since pre-independence, though we faced partition, but people live here peacefully and in a very cordial manner.
Right.
And that's why the Gujarat model, which is seen in the 2002, the massacre after Godhra, that is BJP is not talking about now. And now why Dilip Ghosh has pointed out, I don't know if this is a self-goal or not.
Right. Mr. Salim, thank you very much for joining us with those details on that. Let me quickly cut across to Firaz, Minister with the TMC in West Bengal. Let's take a listen.
উন্নয়ন না, গুজরাটে 2000 মানুষের খুন হয়েছিল। ইসরাত জাহানের মতন অনেকের এনকাউন্টার হয়ে মারা গেছিল। গুজরাট ইউপি হলে ভয় হচ্ছে যে এনকাউন্টারে মারা যায়। এখানে যত বড়ই ক্রিমিনাল হোক তাকে কোর্টে হাজির করতে হয়, কিন্তু ওখানকার নিয়ম হচ্ছে ওরা এনকাউন্টারে মেরে দেয়। সেই জন্য আমরা এটাকে গুজরাট করতে দিতে চাই না, আমরা এটাকে বাংলায় রাখতে চাই।
Going over to Pallavi Saha there. Pallavi, here we heard Salim, we heard the minister within the West Bengal government saying that UP and Gujarat, we've seen that it's a land of encounters and the model will not suit the people of West Bengal, hitting out sharp criticism there against BJP ruling states. Please take us through.
Well, yes, the war of words has begun between the BJP and the TMC. Now, it is quite evident that, going into these elections in 2021, it will be mostly fought between the Trinamool Congress and the Bharatiya Janata Party. At least that is what both sides are saying, because they are completely discounting the presence of any other parties in the electoral fray, be it a left or a Congress as well. Even if they join hands, they do not see that it will fructify in terms of results, because it was the past. It was in the past as well that they joined hands but were not able to challenge the BJP and the TMC. So obviously the war of words will escalate. Dilip Ghosh there saying that they will turn, if BJP is voted into power in West Bengal, they will turn it into Gujarat. And then Firhad Hakim from the Trinamool Congress there hitting right back and saying, well, we know what Gujarat and UP are known for, and that is not something that the people of West Bengal are going to elect into power.
Right.
So that is not the kind of environment. So clearly, it is going to get extremely
setting the
heated
stage
in the
already, it appears. Pallavi, thank you very much for joining us with those details. Pallavi Saha there speaking with BJP chief Dilip Ghosh. He says if voted to power, he'll turn around West Bengal into the Gujarat model, while sharp criticism coming in from the TMC, slamming the BJP leader, saying we know what happens in BJP ruled states like in Uttar Pradesh, which is known for encounters there.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.